Hi friends, today we're going to try to do a snowflake pattern on the bread loaf. I usually start by doing guiding marks with a toothpick. It helps me keep everything proportional and the pattern neat. Especially it's important if you haven't already sketched the design in advance, and I highly recommend for all the beginners, and it's really helpful. So we're going to go step by step and keep adding the branches to the petal. I will first do the first four, the main ones, kind of the core, and from then on, as you can see slowly, I will move to add four more branches to the petal. Again, I'm doing the guiding marks in the middle between, right in the middle between the two branches. And it's up to you, or actually it depends on the size of your loaf as to how many scores you do on each line. I usually do either 4 or 5. This is about 400 grams of flour, so it isn't too big, but each one has 4 or 5 score marks. Adding a few more branches to the snowflake to make it full. Again, using the guiding marks, and here you can see we don't have enough space or a lot of space, so we're just doing 4 score marks on each. You don't want to score too close to the edge of the loaf. Now as we review the scoring, we see that we have more room to add a few more score marks on each branch. It helps it make it uniform and again proportional and make it look fuller. So our pattern is complete and we're ready to do the lengthwise scores for the oven spring. Usually you hold the blade at 45-degree angle and go about ½ an inch deep, and the loaf will be ready to go straight into the oven or Dutch oven. I usually bake these at 500 degrees in a Dutch oven with lid on, another 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit uncovered. And here's what the final loaf looks like after it's baked. I hope this video was helpful and you will continue to score art on your loaves. Good luck!